Go, buddy. Keep going. You don't want? You're going to be done? Okay. Oh, what happened to your foot? Uh-oh. What are you doing with your foot, man?
No, you come here.
Come here.
Are you being silly, or was there something actually on your foot? There are snapping turtles. I wouldn't be surprised.
Alligator snapping turtles.
I don't think he'd be holding it, or he'd be screaming right now. He wouldn't be just like hopping.
An alligator snapping turtle, their bites are the worst.
There was one crossing the street. This girl was standing near it, and traffic was stopped when we were coming back from Jake's parents.
When?
Today.
Ah!
Justin, go, man!
And there was an alligator snapping.
It was about this big, yeah. Okay, are you going?
Oh, these flies are coming around me.
I don't think they're coming around me. I don't know why.
Do it, baby.
Let's go, bro.
Faster, faster, faster.
Hi. Okay, Justin, are you gonna go or not?
Bro, come on.
Good job, baby.
Hi, puppy.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, there's someone here.
Everybody's coming to swim. Go ahead, baby.
I wonder if
We're gonna be done soon, okay?
Maybe.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time.
Are you? What happened?
Mosquitoes.
It's cold, huh?
Go back by the road. I don't even want to walk through there.
Okay, friend. Are you ready to go? You silly. Come on. Is it cold? Come on, go. Okay, let's go.
Styrofoam.
Let's go. Oh, we need to throw that. No. In the garbage. Yeah. Justin. Ready? Go, Justin. See, you can go out. Go! Yay! Yeah. Yay!
You want to jump? Just jump off that thing.
This is awesome.
Use those muscles.
Yeah.
Take a jump off that thing.
Hazel, she's so much bigger. I remember last year coming here with patients and she was so itty.
Come on, bro. Jump.
Good job. Oh, boy.
Hey, so. Don't go far.
Ready? Go, buddy. Jump.
Ready, baby?
Oh, there he comes.
Go, bro.
Ready? Go, Justin. Go, honey. Jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay. Nice. Yay, Justin. Good job.
Hi, baby.
Uh-oh. How you doing, sissy?
Good.
Oh, did you hear that? I heard a frog.
Probably was bullfrog or something. Go, bro.
Keep going, friend. Jump. Ready, go.
Come on, bro.
Go, honey. Yay. Just giggle, giggle, giggle. Ready, go, buddy. What? Ready, go. Yay. Okay, go. Okay, you ready? Go. Go. 3, 2, 1, jump. You're so cute. Oh, mosquitoes. Ah. Say hi. Okay, go. Set, go, buddy. Come on back. Let's go. Go ahead. Ready, set, go. You are so happy. Justin, go. Mr. Boy, 3, 2, good. Okay, good. The girl wants to go swimming now, doesn't she?
Say bye, Grandpa. Later.
Go again, buddy. Go for it.
Baby, come this way. Come this way.
Okay. You got 2 more, bro. 2 more. 2 more, and then we're going to go, okay?
We're gonna go shopping.
Keep going. Ready?
This way over.
You got 2 more.
I know, you can play, but play here, please.
She's like, I'm not done yet. Her and Justin would be fast friends. Yeah, Justin's never done. A leaf. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big leaf. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a bullfrog? Okay, Justin, I said you have 2 more. Take it. Let's go. 1. Go.
Over here, come on.
Let's go, babe. Let's see a good jump. 1, 2, 3. You want it? She's like, can I? Say go really loud. Say go, Justin. Go, buddy, go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going to have to go out, I think. It's not going to exit. That's okay. Always prepared.
Mosquito larvae.
Ew.
We're swimming in the fresh water.
Brianna. It'll be alright. Okay, guys. Boy. Justin. Big boy. Look at me. 1, 2. Go. Let's go. This way, babe. Okay, I'm going to have to get him. Here we go. I'm still videotaping. If you jump, I'll get it.
Stay over there. Yeah, go swim over there.
Yeah, I saw a snapping turtle over there. Last year, yeah, it ate something right in front of me. Like one of the reeds went down like that, and I could hear crunching. I think I videotaped it. It's like, no way. Okay, buddy. Justin, 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. He's just getting himself hysterical. Okay.